Hi guys, welcome to another video. This one is Make Every Day a Disney Day. And I created this on a Santorini flat from Shelley Clark Sizemore. If you're doing this rock for her plane ride in the Facebook group, then make sure you have all the components. I did my favorite character, which is Mickey, and the font lettering Disney, and a magic wand. I traced out my design first, and then I found circular objects that would give me the right sizes for the Mickey head and the Mickey ears. Pill bottle top and a coffee cup in this case. Erased the excess lines by the ears and the head, and looked up on Pinterest the lettering for Disney. Just copied it out. I centered it on the head first and then worked my way out toward each of the sides with the rest of the letters. And there I am. See, I started with the S in the center, N-E-Y, and then the I-N-D afterwards. Then I wrote A above that, every day above that, and make up at the top of the head. And then day down in the bottom right because I'm leaving room on the left side for the magic wand. I filled that all in with my pencil. There's the magic wand. And now I'm going to move on to outlining with a Thule Art Fine Liner. I outlined the whole head, which is also going to have dotting over the top of it. So I wasn't really worried about my line being perfectly straight. And then I filled in my letters with the Thule Art pen as well. To do the background, I chose two Posca gray colors, and I just kind of blended them together, and I did two layers of that, two coats of that gray. And there's our background. Then I colored in my yellow with some of the Posca. I didn't use it straight from the pen. I used a paintbrush with the yellow there. The Derwent Inktense colors are what I have scribbled on there. And then just a damp paintbrush blended them all together. Now we're ready for the dotting with the black. There we go around the head. And that's the only place that I did the dotting. Now I want to add some magical swirls to that magic wand. So I did the swirls, as you can see, and then I dotted on top of it, and I also added with a gel Signo pen some stars, and then I sprayed with glitter. And there we go. Make every day a Disney day, guys. Have a good one.